Yeesh.
I don't want to hurt myself.
Once it is inside completely, Rosalina soon begin to move her body.
We do love you very, very much, but unfortunately, your mother and I are getting a divorce, and it's not your fault. Don't ever think it's your fault!
I don't have enough!
Oh my god!
What the hell? I don't have enough!
Oh my god!
I sold $200 worth of property! You fucking ass!
Oh my
Ah!
Look at me!
Cut.
All right, here
And
we go.
in that time, they brought us forks.
Bottoms up.
Handwriting is so nice, but it's just like, eat this without barfing. Don't even know
Sam,
how I got in
you'll
here.
definitely do it.
I'll do it.
What?
All right, let's get Sam
Really?
to do it.
Yeah. I puke all the time. Oh my god.
And when there really is nothing to do, they're just alone in their house. And somebody's like, dude, you still got the number of Stash Man?
Are you seriously?
Yeah, of course.
No, why? I'll miss you. Just the idea of a theme park where all the parents are like happy with their kids and there's not like one parent who's like, hi!
Come here, come here.
And now I get to, I believe it was shit on Aaron? Is that what it is?
Well, that's a disqualification right there.
And we're the Game Grumps!
My mama did get the pee-pee. And if I did, my daddy would beat me. So I had a pee-pee day in my life.
This is the final egg.
Yeah.
It's the final day.
Oh god.
Death approaches. Better skedaddle. 1, 2.
Ah! This is a fine mess of turnips we've gotten ourselves into.
What is this bullshit? 2 cats? Why not 3? Jeez, what were they thinking? What's this flashing bird flashing for? Is he the police?
I'm a medium, by the way. Lots of fans keep sending me large stuff and I can't wear it because it's too big.
I'm an XL. A lot of fans keep sending me a small because they think that I'm a petite little boy. But I'm in fact a large fat man.
I forgot that was a mod.
I'm just so tired. Oh, this is a funny one.
This is already funny.
Okay, everybody, put your
Both are great. Both are great. But I think Thomas wrote Christ Up Y'all, and I'm going to give it to him because I love him.
Thanks for watching the 10-minute hour.
You look like a freshly caught trout.
How could you say such a terrible thing? Now text her something embarrassing.
Okay. My genitalia craves that sweet, sweet sack.
Go ahead, yep. My mom said, Aaron, really?
That was rude.
I'm sorry, Ma. I goofed up.
Try some more. No, some more. Give me some more. Dan, why don't you try to take a bite?
I'm just imagining you on the subway with your toilet seat and the Lunchables sliding off. Losing it!
I did.
What's up, Aaron?
Ooh.
Oh, wow!
The beach is that way.
No, we don't have a reversal ray. Why would we? We never thought anyone would walk into the micro-penising chamber.
The micro-penising chamber.
And you're just like...
It was purely for experiments only.
And then it cuts back to you in present day with a young lady, and you're like, that's how it happened.
I don't know.
Push it in. Push it in.
Does it look straight?
Nope.
No. Straighten it. Straighten it.
Higher.
Looks great, right?
Ah, finally, I'm all alone, I said to myself as I sat in my bedroom at midnight. No, you're not, said Knife Guy. She's turning.
You have to look.
I'm looking! Ah!
No! You missed completely. Make it if you want to. You're just not gonna like it because it's gonna be spicy and you're gonna be like you always are. Dude, cukes and mustard and corn dog sauce. Damn.
Sam's calling for it.